Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. It's Momomakeup here. Today I'm going to be unboxing the August Boxycharm for you guys. I already had a chance to play with some of the items that came inside my box, so if you're interested to see what's inside, then please keep on watching. Let's get into it. Okay, so this month's box came with 6 items. I'm gonna pull everything out that came in my box. The theme for this month's box is called Life of the Party. This box actually was curated with Laura Lee, so I thought that that was pretty cool. And then the fold out did come with 2 coupons, 20% off for Smashbox, and then also 25% off your next order with Laura Lee Los Angeles. I will leave those linked down below in the description box if anyone's interested. Let's get into my items. The first item that came inside my box is from Laura Lee Los Angeles. This came inside everyone's box. This is her Party Animal palette. I'm gonna open it up and do some swatches for you guys. So here are the colors. And I created this look using the palette. This is the shade Karaoke. Shade is called Damage Control. One is It's a Party. The orange shade here is Dranks. The pink shade is called Bottoms Up. And the last shade is called Hungover. So here's what they look like. This one right here, It's a Party, does not swatch well at all, but I thought that the other colors did swatch well. They were easy to apply on the eye. I did have a little bit of patchiness here. I tried to do It's a Party on the inner corner and then Karaoke on the outer corner to deepen up my the outer corner of my eye, but as you can see, it got patchy, and Karaoke shade almost kind of like faded out. They blended together and it sort of faded into nothing. I did put Bottoms Up on my inner corners. You can see that's very pigmented, and then I did Damage Control on the outer corner, both on the lower lash line. So that is the look I created with the palette. This 6-pan eyeshadow palette does retail for $19. The next item that came inside my box is from House of Lashes. These are the style Bambi. I'm actually wearing Lily lashes on my eyes right now, but here are the lashes. I want to kind of take them out of the package because I actually kind of feel like they look a little bit cheap. The packaging that they came in reminds me of Ardell lashes, which, as most people know, is like an inexpensive lash brand that you can get at the drugstore or at Ulta. They do feel kind of cheap as well. I will definitely give them a try. However, they do feel rather plasticky. The band, as you can see, is very thin. So I'm not too happy about those, but these retail between $9 and $12. So the next item that I got is from Smashbox Cosmetics. This is their Be Legendary lipstick, and this is in shade Latte Matte. So let me take this out. I'm actually wearing it on my lips right now. It's like a warm tone, kind of like a peachy nude color. This is what it looks like. And I'm gonna just do a little swatch here on the back of my hand for you guys. And like I said, I am wearing it on my lips right now, so. They actually, in everyone's box, everyone got a different assortment. There was palettes, liquid lipsticks, and regular tube lipstick. And your lipstick could range anywhere from $21 to $24. Next item that I got is from Wander Beauty. It is their Baggage Claim Gold Eye Masks. Mine came with a set of 3, so I'm super excited to try these out. That's what they look like. Haven't tried them yet, but they did come in my box. And the set of 3 retails for $13. Another item that I got in my box is from Bang Beauty. It's their chocolate eyeliner. It retails for $22. It comes in a little glass component. And it's this brown color here, like a chocolatey brown. So when you do apply it, it dries down matte. Oh, okay. Oh, nice. Okay, so it says here that you can actually use this as an eyeliner, eyeshadow base, or even to touch up your brows. This does retail for $22. I've never heard of Bang Beauty before, so I'm anxious to give this a try. It does dry down and it definitely does feel like a pomade now that I read that. So I think this could maybe be better used for your brows versus an eyeliner, but we'll see. I'll get a chance to play around with it and see what I would prefer using it for. The last item that came in my box this month is from Adesi. It's their Sweet Almond Cuticle Oil. This retails for $18. And it's a little clear container like this. It's their age-defying nail treatment essentials. Very faint smell to it, nothing overpowering, but this will be good to apply to the base of my nails. Thank you so much for watching, guys. I hope that you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe and give this video a thumbs up, and I will see you next time. Bye.